The Union Minister of Food Processing Industries, Chirag Paswan, paid a visit to the Meghalaya Pavilion at the World Food India 2024 event held at Pragati Maidan on the 21st of September. He was joined by the Joint Secretary of the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, Gunanka D besides others. The Meghalaya Pavilion showcased 21 food processing brands and farmer-producer organizations (FPOs) under the banner of Meghalaya Collectives. These brands highlighted value-added products derived from renowned local produce such as Lakadong turmeric, Khasi mandarin, Kiu pineapple, local ginger, and cashew nuts. Meghalaya Collectives is an initiative by the state government aimed at empowering rural communities through the FPOs, promoting rural entrepreneurship, supporting sustainable agriculture practices, and creating market linkages. The program seeks to increase farmers' income, boost agricultural productivity, and promote the state's indigenous products. Chirag Paswan praised the government of Meghalaya for its innovative efforts in the food processing sector and its focus on organic cultivation. He commended the Meghalaya Collectives initiative, noting its role in fostering rural entrepreneurship and sustainable agricultural development.
Center is always there to help you in all your initiatives. I really like the look and the feel of your pavilion. You have actually got the feel of Meghalaya and the way you are growing, especially in the sector of food processing. I mean, we as the center government is 100% there with you to help you in all your initiatives.
Thank you.